Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I have an invitation for you. It's almost springtime. I can't wait. It's been so cold here in Alberta, Canada. Spring officially starts mid-March, but here we don't usually see the snow leave until April. So I'm really excited. I like to kind of get a jump start on my spring decor, not only to give you guys ideas for when you're working on your decor, but also to make our home just instantly feel warmer and ready, even though we still have snow on the ground. It is time for my spring DIY and decor challenge. If you're a follower here on the channel, you'll know about this challenge. If you're new, let me explain. I am looking for my fellow YouTube DIY and decor friends to create a video all about a spring themed DIY or decor idea. So this could be a craft like a spring wreath or a centerpiece or anything like that, or it could be some kind of decor project, so maybe a little home tour or how to decorate your living room, anything spring themed. We're all gonna upload our spring DIY and decor videos on Saturday, March 17th, so that is 2 weeks from now to come up with your idea, film your video, and get it ready to post. I'm gonna make a playlist, and I am going to leave that link in the description box below of this video on the Friday before, so that you can add your own video to my playlist. And then on Saturday morning, March 17th, I'm gonna post my video, and I'm going to leave a link to the playlist so that everybody can watch all of our spring themed DIY and decor videos. This is a great way to meet fellow YouTubers that love DIY and decor, and it's also a great way to grow your channel and find some new subscribers. Make sure to mention my channel in your video, and also make sure to mention that there's a playlist that everybody can watch all of the DIY and decor videos. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I love spring decor and DIY projects. So let me know in the comments below if you're gonna join us. And again, make sure to have your video ready for Saturday, March 17th, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.